Hello all, I hope all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you my craft haul, the craft supplies that I recently bought. So I hope you all enjoy this video. So let's get started. So first let me show all the materials that I ordered from Amazon. This is a 6 into 6 inch paper pack and it's really beautiful. It has got good prints and good patterns. It's really beautiful. The next one that I ordered from Amazon was these. It's sequins and also it has glitter powder. It's really small in size, but I really love the varieties it has. So it has only less quantity. I just show one. See, it's so small in size, but it's so cute that I couldn't resist myself from buying it. Okay, the next one are these 3 boxes. These are my top favorites, and it is sequins. Also, it is pink in color. Like, pink is one of my favorite colors. Look at the beauty. It's so good. Like, it has all the shades of pink, and it's so beautiful. I have already used this for some of my flat lays and also for some of my projects. Okay, the next one is again sequins. It is in flower shape. Again, it's so beautiful. This one is mint green, and yeah, it has so many other colors too: pink, peacock blue, colorful, cream, and golden. It's so beautiful. Okay, the next one are these. So actually I ordered for some other sequin box, but they sent me this, but I didn't return it because I loved all the other shades except for the green one. Especially this one, this bronze shade, I love it so much. Okay, the other product that I ordered from Amazon is this one. It's tissue tulle roll. See, it's so beautiful. Like, we can use it for our projects, maybe for rosettes, etc. It's really good. And the other buy was these. It's plastic containers. I bought these so that I can store all my sequins, and it's really good. The next one is these velcros. It's really small in size and very good for all the projects. It has 50 pieces inside it, and these hot glue sticks of 7 mm in size. It has 25 sticks inside this packet. See, 25 sticks. Okay, I also bought these resin kit. It's epoxy hardener and this one is epoxy resin. I saw Anshita from Paper Edge, her craft haul video, and yeah, I thought, okay, let me just try resin art. And thank you, Anshita, for suggesting this. The last buy, okay, not the last buy, this is the second last buy. It's cutting plates of size 9 into 5 inch, and this is pretty good. I am using a Big Shot Plus machine, and my cutting pads are really like it has turned bad due to over usage. So I thought I will require a new one, and yeah, I bought this one. I have also bought one small in size, but it's not from Amazon. It's really good. Okay, so the last product is this. It's really beautiful. Like, I really liked it. This is newspaper rolls. It can be used for gift wrapping. So this particular pack, it came in like different shades. This brown color, blue, red, then this is black, green, yeah, all this shade. It's so beautiful. And the other one is these. It's black newspaper roll, 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter. Sorry, not 25 centimeter, 25 meter. And this one is really good. I also ordered these brown papers that I am right now using for the background of the video. It also came in this roll. It's so beautiful, and I use these papers for my packing and all the other purpose, like making envelopes, etc. I bought these pattern papers from Nirvana Creations, and it's really beautiful. Charmy is a good friend of mine. So look at these pattern papers. The papers are of good quality and I really love it. This pink one is my favorite, and this floral one, anything is floral, like, I really love it. And yeah, it's so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. It's so colorful and vibrant. So these are the materials that I ordered from Itsy Bitsy. So first of all, let me show the wax seal and the wax beads. I ordered these wax seals and wax bead and also the spoon. I have already used this, so please do ignore it. I have not cleaned it. So this is a rose seal, and I am actually addicted to using this wax seals right now. These are the beads that I ordered. I ordered these 4 shades. It's silver, vintage gold, bronze, and also red. It's pretty good. And next I ordered these shaker sprinkles. It's so good. Hi. Okay, it's so beautiful. It's golden, gold and silver shades. It's really beautiful. And the next one I ordered was these flowers. I ordered 2 packets of flowers. This had actually 9 pieces and it cost 400, but I have already used 5 pieces of these for my project, and this one is small flowers and it's really beautiful. Let me just show it in my hands. Okay, it's so beautiful. Like, I really loved it. See, it's so beautiful, and it cost 250 rupees. So there are like 50 units in it. Yeah. And the next one is these thin cut dies. It costs like 649 rupees, but it's worth it. Like, I really loved all these cutting dies. I also ordered chipboards. I ordered 3 chipboards actually, but I already used this one. Yeah, I couldn't wait. Okay, this is really cute. Okay, and the next one I ordered are these handmade embellishments. It's really cute. And next one is this alphabet and numbers. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I really love it. It's 1 sheet but 210 pieces, and again it cost 179 rupees. But I think it's worth it because it's so beautiful, and these alphabet and numbers are not that easy to get. Okay, so next one I ordered was these pattern papers. Like, it's pretty. I already have these. Like, I really love it. Okay, and those were the items that I bought from Itsy Bitsy. Now I'm going to show you like the items that I ordered from Craft Gully. Okay, so this I ordered like 2 ties from them. One is hello and the other is happy birthday. And next one I ordered was these brats. It's heart in heart shape. I'll just show you. See, yeah. It's really beautiful. I just started using this brad, so I found this really cute. And the next one that I ordered from them was these tweezers, craft tweezers. It's straight and it costed me 70 rupees, and again it's really good. So yeah, so they sent me these beads. I don't know the exact name for these, as a thank you gift, and yeah, it's really good of them. Thank you so much. Okay, so next I'm going to show you the materials that I have bought from local store, that is Feji and Varghese Corner from Thrissur. Okay, this is going to be super messy. I have bought these pom-pom laces in the color rose, cream, green and red color, and also white color. Okay, so pom-pom laces are available in 2 or more types, I don't know. So these are like aligned together and these have some space in between. So I have not tried this one, so I just bought one. And I also bought these green leaves and these beautiful laces. It's really beautiful. Okay, and then I also bought these flowers. It's so beautiful. It is in silver and gold shade. I really don't know why I bought this, but it really seemed to be pretty, and it's really pretty. Okay, now I also bought these flowers. It's rose in colors and it's available as a bunch. I also bought these. I bought 3 or 4 of these, and I think you must have seen these from my flat lay. Okay. So the next thing that I bought from Feji was these. I bought these for my dream catchers. It's anchor thread. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay, I think there's one more shade. I have also bought a cream color. Yeah. I also bought these. I don't know what it is called. I just saw this and I really wanted to buy it. And now I use it for decoration, like embellishing my project works, etc. etc. And the next buy was tapes. I have bought so many tapes. I bought 3 of these foam tapes, but 2 of them I have already used. The next one is I also bought these 3 tissue tapes and cello tapes. These brown cello tapes. I don't know if it has any other specific name, but I call it brown cello tape. So actually there's one more, so I bought these 3. It's really good for packing supplies. And the next buy, again Fevicol. I bought 10 of these glue sticks. So yeah, these markers and a brush, and I also bought one more brush. I don't know where I kept it. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, another brush. Okay, but the fun fact is I really have all these brushes with me. I thought I lost those, but I do have all those brushes with me. See? Anyways, I bought this wood carving set because I'm really going to try some unique things. Oh, I just noticed that it's made in China. Okay, it costed me 175 rupees. And these ceramic tools because I'm going to try clay. And I bought this clay. It is air dried clay. I'm really going to try this one. And the next one is these popsicle sticks. And these, I don't know what it is called. Okay, anyways, bamboo skewers, I don't know. Anyways, I bought this. Next is this watercolor cakes and watercolor cakes, and yeah, so beautiful. It's from Camel. I also bought this book, drawing book. Yeah, I'm going to paint. Let's see. Okay, let me just clean this mess. Next, I bought these sequins again from local store only, and it's really cute. This one, I don't know why I bought this. I just saw it and I loved it. It's so cute, right? So yeah, and these sequins, it came in a set like this. It costed me 80 rupees. And I think it's really worth it because it came in these 6 bottles and it has pretty much good quantity, and yeah, it's really good. Okay, so that's it. And the other one is these sequins. These are just normal sequins. I bought so many sequins. See, okay, I don't know what's the name for these. I just bought these so that I can keep it for the flat lace, maybe in some corners like this. Okay, I really love this. I already had 2 of these, but yeah, I bought extra. The next one is these. I forgot what this is called. Is it tissue paper or crepe roll? I don't know. So I bought this for my paper rosettes. And the next one is I bought this embroidery ring. I have one more, but I don't know where I kept it. So yeah, embroidery rings. Then finally I bought these storage containers. This one too. Like I have already stored some sequins inside it, and it's from local store in Thrissur. I also bought one more container, and it's this one. So I have already stored some materials inside it. Like we can store some gift wrapping papers inside it. It's really good. It's kind of a basket. Okay, so I bought these. These are some packing materials. It's paper, and these are some packing things. I also bought some chart papers. Yeah, and that's it. That's the purchase I have done from local stores. So let's move on to the next one. Oops, I almost forgot to show this one. This is mini glue gun from a local supermarket. It's really good. I think I have used it one time and it's pretty good. This packet came with 2 mini glue sticks. It is 7 mm in size. Yeah. Okay, so now next I'll show the materials that I ordered from Priya Crafteria. I bought these chipboards. I have never tried these chipboards, so yeah, I thought why not give it a try. And the next one was this sequins. It is Dress My Craft sequins, and it has 12 colors. It's really good. Next I bought vellum sheets. I have bought 2 vellum sheets. I have already used some of these. I have bought rings of all the sizes from mini to the biggest one. I'll just arrange it in according to the size. Okay, mini to the biggest one. Crystal beads. It is circle in shape and this one is heart in shape. I really love these. Sequins. I have bought so many sequins. I just went crazy. I saw Sherry from S Handmade Card. She used to she did post a sequin collection on her Instagram, and I was really like, I want all those sequins. Okay, Sherry, you're the one who made me buy all these sequins. Okay. It's really beautiful. These are Dress My Craft sequins. It's so beautiful. It's actually sequin mixes. I bought 2 of these copper ones, and other all I just bought 1 each. So yeah, it's really beautiful. So I bought 3 pattern papers. Okay, one is this one. It is by Greeting. I'll just show you how it's inside. So yeah, it's like a travel themed pattern paper, and it has kind of a vintage look. It's really beautiful. I loved all these florals and these die cut pages. Like, it has my heart. It's really beautiful. I love anything which has this gold foil effect. It's so beautiful. And the next one is Dress My Craft Magical Unicorn. Okay. Again, I love this paper pack. I have not tried it yet, but it's so beautiful. Like, it's colorful. Anything that is colorful, I will buy it for sure. And it's so beautiful. It is having this kind of a pastel touch, and yeah, it's so good. And next one is these pattern papers. It is in the theme summer. So I have seen my best friend Sabha using this one like 2 years before, but I have never tried it, and now I have bought it and it's good. Okay. Then I bought ivory sheets from Priya, and it's in A3 size. I bought 2 of these packets, but I have already completed using one, and yeah. And finally, I also bought these mirror cardstocks. These are my favorites. So yeah, these are the materials that I ordered from Priya. I forgot to show one more thing. I bought these jute rolls from a local store, that is Fiji from Thrissur. I thought I can use these for my packing, and it's really good. Madras Bazaar. I have already taken these out from the package. So I came to know about this Madras Bazaar website from Anshita. Okay, this is a bookmark resin, and this one has a heart. It's a heart mold. And this one, I don't remember the name. Okay, it's beautiful. Like, I am going to try resin art. Next, I bought some supplies, 2 supplies from Crafts Lane. You can check out their website. I bought these dies. It's really beautiful. I have already tried it. And I also, as mentioned before, I bought these cutting pads. It's small in size compared to the other one which I have. Okay, so this one is a bigger one, and this is really small. See, it's half of this. Okay. So now I have 2 cutting pads. They were kind enough to give this one. It's a face shielding mask, not mask, face shield something. It's really good for the situation right now. And next I bought these were from Crafty Scrappers. I got 4 fun foils, 2 in silver and 2 in gold color, and this cute metal charm which has, see, it's scissor shaped, and these cardstocks, Angelica pink, creamy banana and hazy cucumber. It's really good. Okay, and the next buy was from Wholesale Stationers. I bought these double-sided tapes. I actually bought 5 of these. It costed 10 rupees only. I bought these jute ribbons from them. It comes in this whole packet and it's really good. We can also buy it separately, I guess so. Premium stack vellum with foil. It's by DCWV and it's so good. It's really good. See, I love this golden ones more than the silver. Okay, it's so beautiful. It has 16 sheets, and I bought these golden foam sheets. Also bought so many these ivory sheets. I had more of these, but I used it for my crafting, and they were so good to send me this cute little pen. Thank you so much. Okay, and finally I bought these two. I don't remember from where I got it. It's detail knife and also brads. These are my favorite pattern papers. It's absolutely beautiful. So good. Okay, I'm sure you all will love it because it has foils inside it. Just see, it's so beautiful. I'm 100% sure that this one looks more beautiful when you see directly than from the camera view. And it has these. Okay, this one is violet in color. Okay, it's showing some different color in this camera. Let me just try to keep. See, this is the actual color. Okay, not this. So this is the actual color. See, this is the actual color. And it's really beautiful. See, there is some kind of a difference. I hope you can understand it. It's so beautiful. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And it costed 700 plus. I don't remember the exact cost. It's so beautiful. So I'm not going to use this for any of commissioned works. I will be using it for my personal use because I really loved all these prints. Okay, and the next one is these. So the next one are these. It's watercolor sheets with gold foil. It's from the brand DCWV. DCWV have really good papers. Again, it's foiled. It has gold foil. It's so beautiful. Look at, I love this color, this paper. It's so beautiful. And this one, oh, wow. Again, this one has golden foils. See, again gold foiled. Really beautiful. Okay, so that's it. These are the things that I have bought from various craft pages on Instagram, Amazon, then websites, etc. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So stay safe and be happy always. Stay positive. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, bye bye.